Right, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my other channel I'll be posting on. It's called Little No Turtle Random. It's basically I'm gonna upload a whole bunch of random stuff like this, and because my other channel is based on Fortnite, so this one's gonna be based on just anything and everything, video games, everything. You guys request something, I can try to get it done, but there's no promises. But yeah, last night it rained, so it's like really wet outside. I just got my legs soaked from that. Hi. So yeah, guys, this is my second channel, so just make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, today we're just gonna go on a bike ride. Just a simple little bike ride. I have my GoPro on right now. And yeah, with my GoPro we can go underwater and stuff. Right now, I don't have the case on to go underwater, so I can't really do that. And yeah, there's this hill by alleyway in the back of my house. And everyone says it's really fun to go on. And it actually used to be different, but people with their dirt bikes, their Honda CRF 110s, which I have, came up on it and they destroyed it. That's what it looks like now, after it's all been ruined. So, yeah, and then there's all this rain, and it's kind of nasty, because, I don't know, it's just wet. So, I'm going to quit talking, and you guys can just watch the video. Alright. So this is called swerving. Sorry for the wind, guys. Sorry for that wind. Windy out. Alright, and then to finish it off, guys, basically we going on down this road really fast. Oh yeah, look at it. Never mind. Alright, guys, make sure to like and subscribe and comment and subscribe to Little No Turtle on YouTube and subscribe to me because this is my second account. Thanks for watching.